Welcome to the first video in our SharpCut software tutorial series. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the basic interface, manage data, view cutting records, and understand account information. This introduction will help you start using SharpCut with confidence. Let's get started. After entering the software, you'll see 4 tabs on the left side. The first tab is the most commonly used. Here you'll find the Data Center and Design Center. From the Data Center, you can select the data you want. The second tab is where your saved data is stored. You can save frequently used data here. You can also search your saved data using the search bar. Additionally, there are share codes and identify codes. You can share your saved data with your friends or other accounts, and you can also cancel sharing or delete the saved data. The third tab shows cutting records. Here you can view all your previous cutting activities. The fourth tab is for account information. It shows your remaining cutting area and the account's expiration date. Also remember that if you have a new account, be sure to change your password first to prevent others from using your account. Returning to the data center, choose the type of data you want. There are various data types available. For example, if we choose exterior of car, the next step is to find the brand you're interested in. Then select the model, the submodel, and the year of the car. It's important to note that in SharpCut, the year is based on the first year the model was released globally. If a new 2020 or 2024 car comes into your shop, you should select 2024. Next, selected submodel. When the design appears, double-click with your mouse to enter the design center. Editing functions in the industry. Here you need to familiarize yourself with the mouse operations. 1. Click the left mouse button to select a shape. 2. Hold the left mouse button and move the mouse to drag the shape. 3. Hold the right mouse button and move the mouse to rotate the shape. 4. Right-click to confirm actions in the software. 5. The mouse wheel is used to zoom in and out of the design, centered around the cursor's position when you scroll. 6. Hold the mouse wheel to drag the canvas. Congratulations! You now have a basic understanding of the SharpCut software. Feel free to check out other videos to get more tips.